Hello, this is Spring News with the news pickup for March 20th. The banking crisis in the U.S. caused by the fall of two regional banks has produced a big winner: cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. The major cryptocurrency by market cap peaked over the weekend, briefly breaching the $28,000 threshold. The top 10 non-stable cryptocurrencies also gained in price. Experts predict a further gain for cryptocurrencies, while several banks coordinate efforts to pump cash into markets to ensure liquidity. Switzerland's biggest bank, UBS, has agreed to acquire its rival Credit Suisse at 3 billion Swiss francs. The deal is an emergency measure aimed at securing financial stability and protecting the Swiss economy. The collapse of the two American banks has unleashed panic in financial markets. Credit Suisse has been losing investors' and customers' confidence for years. Last year, it had its worst loss since the global financial crisis, and last week it acknowledged material weakness in its bookkeeping. Starting from Monday, the U.S. Federal Reserve will frequently implement swap lines with several foreign central banks to guarantee a steady stream of the U.S. dollar, a dominant reserve currency in the global financial system. Swap lines are agreements between two central banks. Foreign central banks swap their currency for an equivalent amount of U.S. dollars from the Fed at the market exchange rate and later pay back borrowed dollars with the interest to the Fed. The measure will help to suppress exchange rate volatility and avoid strains in the supply of credit to households and businesses worldwide. The British luxury car maker Rolls-Royce will receive €2.9 million in funding from the UK Space Agency. The company will explore ways of using nuclear power to support humans with the electricity needed for living and working on the moon. Within Rolls-Royce's microreactor program, the scientists will focus on three key features for the microreactor: the fuel used to generate heat, the method of heat transfer, and the technology to convert that heat into electricity. Prior to the runoff mayoral elections in Chicago to be held on April 4th, the two mayoral candidates have confirmed they would both support legalizing video gaming machines in the city. Both candidates, Brandon Johnson and Paul Vallis, see video gaming legalization as an important way of funding investments. In 2022, gamblers in Illinois wagered roughly $10.5 billion at Illinois video gaming machines, creating over $135 million in tax revenue. Follow Spring News. Be informed to be empowered.